Mums, what if I told you everything you've been dreaming about, time freedom, no more debts, and a better life for you and your family, is just one decision away? This is your moment to finally say yes to yourself. If you're ready to leave the stress, the doubts, and the endless cycle of working hard but getting nowhere behind, then stay with me. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how you can change your life today, just like I did. You see, I was once exactly where you are now, exhausted, overwhelmed, and questioning if there was anything better for me. I found my answer in a digital marketing system that gave me both financial freedom and the time with my family. I now help mums just like you take the same leap and finally claim the life that you deserve. I understand your hesitation, but I also know what your transformation could be if you say yes. If you're ready to change your life, don't wait. Comment "I'm ready" below or click the link in the description to start your journey today. Imagine a life without debt. Debt is holding you back, both financially and emotionally. Imagine how it feels, or how it would feel to finally break free from that weight being upon your shoulders. Picture opening your bills and realizing they're all paid for and still having money left over for your dreams. With this program, you earn 100% profit on every sale with no monthly fees. Every pound earned goes straight into your pocket. Now imagine more time with your family. Your kids need you, and not just that paycheck that you are working so hard for. Imagine school runs, family dinners, occasions, no more missing them very important moments, the moments that matter the most. This system is designed for a 2-hour workday. No endless hustles, just focused, consistent actions that deliver clear results. Because you've been carrying too much for too long. It's time to find peace and clarity in your life. Imagine waking up excited and not anxious, knowing that you have a plan that works. This done for you system comes with automated tools, training, and life support, so you're never alone on this journey. If you're doubting yourself, I want you to know that you can do this. Imagine proving to yourself and everyone around you that you're capable of creating the life that you want. This system was built for beginners with a step-by-step guidance, a supportive community, and everything you need to succeed. You've been waiting far too long, but the truth is, the right time is now. Stop putting off your dreams. Click the link below or comment "I'm ready" now to take action today. Your new life is waiting, and I'll be with you there every step of the way.